after the mileage deduction, we have something with Lyft and something they're doing with riders, and something if you are using Lyft, you should be on the lookout for. And here's another thing I'm going to say. Instead of just multi-apping on the driver's side, if you're using this service, if you're somebody who's watching this and you're using the service, multi-app on the platforms and see what ones are each providing you in terms of upfront estimations. Because stay loyal to one company for whatever reason, because they don't care about you. They just care that you're using them as their service.
Yes.
This is
all these 3 trips are identical, Chris. Identical. So, we did our town hall. We had Alex from San Francisco, right? So he had some car trouble. He was, he had some car trouble, tire trouble, actually. He had to get tires. Car was at the dealership. He had to go back and forth a few times. So he goes, Sergio, look what I paid as a passenger. I'm like, okay. So the first one, same. Look at the mileages, right? 21 minutes, 17 minutes, and 4.88, 4.92. So all the same. Except the first one was early in the morning. There was no surge, right? So they charged Alex, our good buddy in San Francisco, $28 for that trip. And there's a base fare, obviously, in San Francisco.
Let's just say it was 18 because he did give a $10 tip.
Exactly. So learn from this, people. That's a generous driver to another driver right there. $10. If you do ever take an Uber and Lyft trip, please tip. Don't be like any other jackass on the platform. Okay, there you go. So it cost Alex $18 for that trip, right? And then 10 more tips, 28. Great. Okay. So he goes, then on my way back, half hour later, it started to rain and it was surging. This is Lyft, by the way. And look at the third screenshot, Chris. Third one. What do you see there, Chris? Every number is the same, except
I see a wait and save discount.
No, like 2 notches above that.
Oh, the prime time, 218%?
You know what they paid to the driver for this? Because he talked to the driver. And on this one, he goes, Serge, you went up so high that I only could tip $3. I'm like, I'm glad you even tipped, right?
I'm going to say they gave them $6.28.
No, I mean, you can't go that low. It's like 5 mile trip. They paid the driver 18 out of the 42.
Boy.
Out of the 42.
Oh, boy.
Think about that. Now, what did they charge the passenger, though? 218% prime time. Remember the good old prime time that we used to get? 100%, 200%. I'm going like, holy crap. So this is what they're doing, boys and girls. Ripping the packs with prime time. Okay. All right. And paying the full, poor driver on
what was this driver? Did the driver tell them what the primetime pricing that they got was? Or the bonus pricing that they got?
$6.75.
Okay, so out of that $33.88, they got $6.25 of that. That is why these companies should not be charging multiplier rates to the passengers.
No, you can charge multiplier rate. Pay me the fucking multiplier rate. You can charge all the multiplier rate you want. I don't care what you charge. You can charge 500%. As long as you pay me the 500%, I'm okay with that.
Mm-hmm.
And
I concur.
As you correctly diagnosed, the guy goes, he went from $18, he goes, to $58. He goes, I was like, wait 15 minutes for a car. He saved $15 that way at least. So the same identical trip that cost him $18, half hour before cost him $42 with a $15 discount.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And I'm like, bro, holy shit. There you go. That's what they do. They rip.
Now this is why you should multi-app on the passenger side too.
You better goddamn believe it.
My God.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.